What's up, Ada Gang? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. And this is yet again another video where we're going to talk about Cardano in terms of the price and why we have to talk about the fact that the crypto market as a whole, why we have not seen Uptober take flight. And we're going to get into some of the numbers as we look against history where we are battling some of these numbers and what Cardano is doing beyond the price that is going to make us get into Valhalla, if you will. Okay, so let's talk about it. Let's get down into it. For those of you that do not know me, I'm Mark. I do talk crypto every day, so welcome to the channel. If you have not done so, please subscribe right down below. We talk Cardano basically every single day. It's one of my biggest holdings, and so if you want your ADA news, this is the place for you, as well as all the other top cryptos in the market. Also, if you have not followed me on X, make sure you do so. I just figured out my X page was not searchable for the better part of 2 years. So give me a follow on X, and hopefully we can bolster up that platform as well. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. Also a link down below in the description. All right, so let's get into it. Let's talk about it. And this is where we're at on the market for the day. Please remember, though, guys, this is not financial advice. Just my thoughts and me giving you the news as it relates to cryptocurrency. Cardano sitting just out the top 10 at the 11th spot in market cap, $12.46 billion, up 5% on the week. We have had an impressive year, up 44.6%. So for everyone out there wondering why Cardano's down, why Cardano's not exploding, well, it's very simple, guys. Nothing really is, okay? So it's something where we've been trading sideways. We did get as high as, up into almost 80 cents back in March of 2024. And that's something where you look at Cardano right now on a continuing downtrend. We need to get back up into that 40, 50 cents range, where that way we can consolidate there and talk about that next leg up. All right, but let's get into kind of the big news here, because this is why we came here to talk about if Uptober, whatever you want to call it, birthday month for me, so shout out, happy birthday to me. But this is where the price trends are hinting that Cardano has not seen Uptober start to kick off. Now, if we do get this rally, that's where we could see 40 to 50 cents. Nothing to celebrate, nothing to go jump up and down for. A lot of holders, including myself, have a lot of higher cost basis when we talk about ADA and where we're at. But this is something where of the 8 Octobers since Cardano's inception, right? We just had our anniversary just a little bit ago for ADA, but of the last 8, Cardano ended 4 in the red with only 3 positive closes. But judging by the past year's trends, when the month ended up 15.4%, the current trend shows Cardano needs to make moves to repeat the bullish milestone. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. So it's not always going to be Uptober for Cardano. It's 50% chance if you go based off the historical bias. And this is something where the biggest challenge for ADA right now is history. And if we talk about history, we need to talk about the fact that at one point in time, Cardano was 3rd in total market cap. So that's something that you really have to kind of hold on to and remember as you guys navigate your crypto journey, is the fact that Cardano used to be an absolute mammoth, a behemoth in the space. Now, outside of the top 10 now, they have a lot of room to make up, okay? A lot of other layer ones have made their ascension. We've talked about some of the cryptos that are just kind of holding pat, and it's something where, back in the day, Cardano was rivaling Dogecoin, and it was back and forth, back and forth. I know they're two different categories in terms of crypto, but it's something still where it remains to be true, where Cardano needs to get back up into that like 6, 7, even 8 in market cap. And that's kind of where we would get to if we did make a move into 40 to 50 cents, in my opinion. Now, what Cardano has going for them, that is simply believing in Charles Hoskinson. We've talked about their innovations and their technologies as being scientific, and as they continue to navigate their roadmap and get further down that roadmap, we have kind of a lot of new upgrades coming in the pipeline as we look for a conclusion, getting in through that governance thing, where Cardano looks to be truly decentralized. That's the biggest theme that we have going for us that has not been truly appreciated by the market, in my opinion. We look at some of the responses to a lot of the community members, and that's standing out to me probably number one. But the biggest thing going for us is what's coming, right? We've had the Chang hard fork. We have not seen the push that we've wanted from that, the explosion. Hard forks historically for Cardano have had a lot of price implication, but Chang, it was more of a buy the rumor, sell the news news event, but that brings in the Voltaire era where all these upgrades are coming. So there's going to be a lot of news and noteworthy upgrades coming for Cardano. So that's why you're going to want to stay locked to this channel as we go over them as they come in real time. But that's where, like I said, guys, historically, this is what's important. 50% chance, essentially, that we do get Uptober with Bitcoin pressing all-time highs. You know, anything's possible, anything's in the cards. But for me, guys, I haven't sold ADA since I bought it. Looking at that more 2030 price outlook for me before I start making those decisions. And that ultimate $9 to $12 for Cardano, that was my price prediction and my goal when I bought my first ADA. So that's where I'm at. Appreciate you guys all watching. If you guys are new to the channel, like I said, follow me on X, handle down in the bottom left of your screen, as well as here on YouTube. All you have to do is hit subscribe right down below. It's totally free to do so. It just helps us out here and keeps us going. So appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.